Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through the low chlorine report, which is found on the plus control panel. First thing we'll do is click plus, and now we see we're on the plus control panel. Let's hover over this raindrop button here and it will tell us this is the low chlorine report. So we can click here and we'll be directed to the low chlorine report page. To get to this same spot, we can also click reports and low chlorine. From here, let's choose a date. So we're going to backdate this a bit to September 28th and click done. And for this section here, we're going to leave the value of 1 here. So this is going to tell the program low chlorine is under the FC rating of whichever value you enter here. So we're going to say it's under the value of 1. You can change this to be whatever value you'd like it to be. We'll click Run Report, and we see it's pulled up 1 low chlorine log. And as indicated over here, this is a beta feature, and it is designed to help you identify problems before they've started, but it's not necessarily fact, so please make sure to conduct your own testing. But here we can see this is telling us this customer was under the FC rating of 1. And we can see a little more information about them. We can see which employee, we can see their address, we can see their name, and the information about their water test readings, their chemicals, and the test needed, pump running hours, phosphate levels here to let us know, maybe check these things out. That's what this report's going to look like. You can change this value simply by clicking and typing in whatever number you want, clicking Run Report, and you'll see that report change here. For this specifically, we have the same customer. But that's what you're going to be getting with the low chlorine report. It's very handy if you are trying to identify an issue before it starts, so please check this out. If you do have any questions about this report, please let us know and we'd be happy to further assist you. Okay, thank you.